nice bird there, Al. First bird, not bad.
Yeah, thank you very much.
No worries.
Thank you for having us up and showing us the ropes on turkey hunting.
No worries. No, I'm no expert, but we try anyway. Lots of birds around, so that helps. So.
Yeah. So I'd like to keep the beard and make a nice little fan mount.
Yep.
And I'm used to just geese and partridge and stuff like that, so I've never done a turkey.
Pretty similar. We skin them and then just pop out the breasts and take off the legs. Another thing that's kind of neat is we'll cut off the legs, and then you can actually cut the legs right here, and it's hollow inside, and you can keep the spurs. And it's almost, there's a channel in there that you can actually put a rope or something and keep your spurs. So we'll cut off the legs and then keep that part, and just cut it with a hacksaw on both sides, and just clean off all the scales and the skin, and it looks pretty cool. So
awesome.
Yep. So we'll kind of show you what to do. So I know there's a way to just pop that right off, but being as it's, let me just see if I can. Yep, there.
Look at that. I'm just looking over here doing this.
Yeah.
Beautiful.
With my luck, it came apart on your first bird.
Glued them all back together one at a time.
Exactly. So yeah. Beautiful. So that's your beard.
Awesome.
And then what I do is pretty much start from there.
Okay.
And just find a spot. And there's this breastbone right there. I'll just usually just find a spot and just start to skinning his just like a goose basically.
Yep.
Just that there. And just find that knob and just right through it. Big old chunk of meat. Nothing left there.
Yeah. Yeah, one BB in there.
Two. Really just hardly anything left there, eh?
Yeah.
And yep, just like these, you just getting that joint in. back here. And I try to get some extra feathers just to make sure you can actually feel the big chunk in there.
Okay.
I've just got you got a little bit extra meat and stuff in there.
Yeah.
Yep.
Scraped out and salted and
Yep. Absolutely.
packed with board for a few weeks.
Yep. Yep. Nice bird, man.
Yeah, awesome. I wouldn't have been able to do it without you and
No worries.
you offering us your house for 2 weekends in a row.
No worries. That's what we do.
Thank you very much.
All right, man.
Looking forward to
Good
trying
shooting.
this out.
Yeah, you like it with the legs. What we do is they're pretty tough. Sometimes I'll smoke them,
Yeah.
and then cut them up and put them into soup or slow cook them.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? And put them into make them into soup or stew. But they're pretty chewy other than that. But the breast, I kind of ways of doing it. But how we normally do it is I'll slice it and batter it and almost deep fry it. And, it's delicious. If you like turkey, you'll like.
Well, we'll definitely give that a go. We'll probably make some turkey soup and have the family over and have an early Thanksgiving.
Yeah, exactly. In August.
In August, yeah.
Right on. All right.
Awesome. Thanks, Steve.
Cool, man. Come back next year.
Will do.